Hi there, and welcome to this guide on how to manage class bookings with Tinte 8. I'll show you firstly how to create a class booking, then how to set up your availability for that, and how to manage your attendees. So, to get started, let's head into Setup Services. Here you will be able to create a class by clicking Create Class Type at the top. After you have created your class, you will receive a window like this, where you can manage how many attendees you want to allow, the duration of the class, the location it takes place at, how it is bookable online, as well as if you want to allow changes or cancellations and the notice periods you might require. Now that you created a class, to make it available, all you need to do is to go into Calendar and select the specific date and time when you want it to be available. So let's say Monday the 26th at 11. In the right hand side panel, from the top drop down, you select the new class that you just created, and then you get the option to also edit the date and time again if you wanted to, as well as repeat the class. So for example, if you want this class to take place on a weekly basis, you just select the repeat option and keep the weekly option. Now, for how often you want to repeat it, we only recommend to repeat it up to 90 times, and then you can repeat the process every 90 weeks, for example. After you set all this up, just click Book. Now that the class has been booked, what the client sees can be accessed via the link in the class itself. This is also the link that you can share with the client for them to book their appointment. So here you can see the available slots. Once a client has booked their slot into this class, what you will see is something like this. So you see the first client's name and then a +2. So that means that there are 3 clients on this class. And when you click on the class, you can then expand on those clients to see every client on the class itself. Now, if you ever needed to remove or potentially add someone onto the class, all you need to do is click Change and then click the X button next to the student's or client's name. But again, you can also add someone this way as well. After you've done all of this, all you need to do is click Change, and one student has been removed and a new one has now been added onto the class, which we can verify by clicking on the booking and looking at the attendees. Hopefully this gives you a better understanding of how you can use Tinte 8 to better manage your business. If you are in need of any further help, a link to our support portal can be found in the video description. We regularly release guides to help you get most out of Tinte 8 and a vast array of features that we offer. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up to date with these video guides. Thank you for choosing Tinte 8.